just starting a new course which can help any solopreneur, small home-based business owner, or if you're looking for a side hustle, you can launch your new e-course for free. Or actually, I'm just looking to do it for free or maybe for less than $100 because many of you have dreams, you have goals, but you must be thinking, oh, it takes lot of money, it takes lot of time. I just wanted to tell you, you can achieve your dream and you can live whatever life you want to live with just simple thing. And this is just a trailer, and I am developing a course which will show you how you can launch your dream course for less than $100, and you can have a really new profitable business. You can build your brand, gain exposure, attract potential customers just on shoestring budget. That's it for sure. How can you do that? Let's consider. Okay, I think there will be more room if we consider the course for just less than $100, but I will try to focus how you can launch your course for free. So let's see. This is just a trailer. The main course is coming up. Okay. So what it takes to start a e-course, any e-course, what does it take? First, you have to identify your strengths because that is very important. It is not necessarily everyone has to develop same course. Nothing means you find what you are passionate about. For example, if you are passionate about health, hey, just make sure that you have enough information to start an e-course. You have enough passion, you can do proper research and identify the topic for your e-course. You can do the market research, you can find your target audience, identify, narrow down your niche, find what is your niche because it is very important. You cannot say that my course is applicable for everyone. If it is applicable for everyone, then it is applicable for no one. Okay, so just narrow down your niche because the more specific, better it is. Because when you are going to promote your course, people will say, oh, she he or she is talking to me, and that will gain more exposure and that will gain more conversion. Develop your course content, and it is very easy. Developing a course content, it's very easy. Just we record some videos and create some pdfs with the information, the handouts. You can create the test modules just with easy google form. It's very easy, it is not at all complicated. Just because you have never done it before, you might be thinking it is complicated, but it is not at all complicated. Create your course material, including lesson plans, videos, quizzes. It's very easy. It's really easy. You can create a course actually in less than a week. Means basically, if you have all the information and you can do the research. Yeah, means basically ChatGPT will help you, but still, I think it is your passion and your expertise are more important than that. Then make sure your content is engaging, informative, and easy to follow because you might have a lot of experience and knowledge and all, but the person who is taking your course may not be up to that level. So just make it very simple, easy to follow. Then choose a platform. I did a lot of research on finding a platform, which platform is really good and which is not good. I will be explaining and comparing various platforms, and I'll be telling which platform I'm using. And the platform which I'm using, you can develop your course and automation and everything just for free. And it is really free. You can have your dream course getting launched with autoresponder and with even email system and all, everything for free. And that is really doable. It is all in one platform which is I have been using. But I'll be comparing all the main brand platforms for e-courses, and you decide which is the best one for you. Yeah, choose the platform which means later on also, if you want to expand, means you will be very successful after this course, pretty sure, because if you follow the guideline, I mean, you will be successful. So later on means have plan to expand organically. So that means so that choose the platform accordingly. Now, once you have chosen the platform, create your e-course, upload the content. Just it will take some time to figure out any new platform. Yeah, when you don't know, it will take little time to figure out, but I know you are smart enough, you will figure it out. Make sure optimize your course descriptions and tags, and also people can easily find it, because you want people to find it for free. You are not going to spend money on ads. So because I want to show you how you can launch your dream course for shoestring budget, yeah, mostly for free. So just make sure you get organic traffic, and for that tags and SEO is very very important. So just optimize all that. And yeah, chat gpt is very useful for SEO, and that also I will show you how you can use it for optimizing your SEO. Share your course on social media, email newsletters, and many other online platforms. Yeah, you can share. That is, everything is free. You can just make engaging content and share everywhere. Social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, everywhere. You can just share it, and you can join the groups. You can. There are various ways. Of course, I will be addressing all those ways. Once you create, yeah, I mean, the course, make sure you give the beta or founders prize to your email list, people who are in your contact, and you can give them various actually other options. For example, if they refer, you can give them some part of commission or whatever. Means it depends on your comfort level, but you provide them some incentive so that even they can refer your course to other people, but give them the founders uh, price. Means even though I am showing you how you can launch your course for free or on shoestring budget, I want you to charge for your e-course because I want you to become profitable. Okay. So provide them beta launch or a founder's price, which is less than the original price you will be charging later on for your course. Once you develop the course, there are various ways. You can have a webinar, you can put it on your website also. In previous slide I mentioned about the social media, but there are various ways. You can have your website or blog and all. Yeah, you can just basically promote it. How are you going to engage with your audience? There are various communities you can form, and the platform which I'm mentioning, they will provide you free community. Means once you develop your e-course, there is a free community can be formed over there on that platform. But even there are other options, like for example, you can have a LinkedIn group or you can have a Facebook group and all. But just make sure that whoever gets access to your course, they should be engaged with you, or you should be engaged with them, so that they complete the course, so that when you create the next course, they will be first one to stand in the line to buy your next course. So it is very important to engage. It is not like that you create a course, once you create the course you sell it and you are done. No, we are looking for here recurring, passive, ongoing, automated income. And for that, it is very, very important to engage with your audience. Ask them questions, ask them feedback, and just means basically community is very important. And many times what happens, the coaches, yeah, they guide the students who are engaged in the course, but the students, they help each other a lot, because I personally took many courses, and I always found that whenever there are actually active engaging students are there, they help each other out. Just make sure you have to watch. Means basically we don't want too much of self promotion or spamming going on in the community, but on an average, means people, students over there, they are there to learn. So those things don't happen, but it's better to keep eye on that. Build a community around your course and keep people engaged. That is how you will create a positive vibe. And this is just a trailer. Okay, the full course on how to launch your course for free or on shoestring budget, that I haven't yet decided, because once I design the course completely, I will define exactly whether it is going to be free or for less than $100. And but this is just a trailer, so just keep eye on my upcoming course, which will help you achieve the dream which you want to achieve in your life, which will help you live the ideal life you already always wanted. And yeah, means that is the whole and sole purpose of this whole e-course. That's what I just want you to have the greatest possible success and live your dream life. Thank you.